If you have a car, you work on cars, you need spare fuses because fuses go out and it's always good to have a spare. That's going to be the very first thing we check, the first thing we replace if we're trying to diagnose a problem or if we're trying to install something new. I picked myself up this 300-piece fuse set from JOREST because A, I like how well organized it is, color-coded, by size, by amperage, gives me plenty of spares in a nice, neat little compact case. For me, I do a lot of dash cam installs. They even have a little instruction list. Love them. For me, I do a lot of dash cam installs. So I need these because a lot of times I'll be putting in extra fuses, I'll be replacing them sometimes, and spare fuses are essential for me. Now, fun little thing, besides just having spares, they give you a little fuse tool to pull them out. Although I don't know if you knew this, a fun little hack you can do if you're working with these bigger fuses, you may have noticed on these bigger fuses you have these teeth that go inwards. And actually what happens is they work together well, so in case you don't have that fuse tool that they so graciously gave you, you could slide the teeth in and use it to pull the fuse out. That's a fun little hack. Overall, something that I feel everyone should have if they have a car. Doesn't need to be as extensive as 300 piece, but considering the price point on it, I really saw no reason not to. I prefer to just have these, have peace of mind. And honestly, these are the same fuse sizes I've been seeing from when I started working on cars 10 years ago till now, so I don't have to worry about them getting outdated or expiring. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay handy.